Everyone wondered why I sucked it up every time. Now that they've understood why I do it, everyone does it. I'll show you what this trick is all about now, because you need these little balls. They are simply cotton balls. But you can also just take a piece of absorbent cotton and shape it into a ball or use a cotton pad, for example. What should you do now? There are 3 options. For the first, for example, you can take an essential oil of your choice and add a few drops. The absorbent cotton can absorb this oil really well so that it remains firmly sealed in this little ball. You could also take your favorite perfume and spray a little of it on. 2 to 3 spritzes are perfectly sufficient. Or you can use a room spray, for example. There are many other possibilities besides these. If you can think of any, please feel free to write them in the comments. I can't wait to see what ideas we can all come up with. But what is the point of these parts anyway? As previously mentioned, you can vacuum them up with your vacuum cleaner, or you can put them directly into your dustbin. Incidentally, it doesn't matter whether it's a container without a bag or with a bag. Either you simply put them in the bag or in the container. 1 to 3 pieces are perfectly sufficient. Every time you use your vacuum cleaner, you'll see them swirling around. But they have a completely different, fantastic effect apart from the fact that they are flying around wildly. This way, you can actually make your entire home smell like the fragrance you have just sprayed on it when you vacuum. Unpleasant smells when vacuuming are a thing of the past, and at the same time you ensure that your home is really nicely scented. By the way, have you heard about these 10 types of packaging that most people always use incorrectly? You can find out if you are one of them by watching the video on the screen. Click directly on it.